we had some other things planned that kind of fell through the cracks this year, but we had a good turnout. We have, we'll be able to space the buses. As you all know, I used to work for Eagle. When it closed, it was a very sad day for all of our employees and stuff. We felt we had the best product out there. My only goal all these years after was to keep the Eagle history alive, and thank you all for helping to do that. I'm sure most of you, if not all of you, are a member of our Silver Eagle Bus Facebook group, which we now have over 11,000 members from 9 generations. So let's keep it alive. We're going to plan on doing this again next year. We're going to have some other planned activities to add to and enhance the rally. But I think we've had a good turnout for this first year. Let's just make sure that we spread the word that, there's a good group of people that support everybody. And I hope we've all had a chance to go out there and meet each other and talk to each other. It's about getting together. Most of you I have never seen face to face before in my life. Gary, I've been talking to Gary for 20 years. So it was a great opportunity. Huh?
No, we're just glad you're real. I mean, because
as I tell a lot of people, I'm Jake from State Farm.
There you go.
Because sometimes the wives don't understand why we're talking late at night. But again, thank you all for coming. More importantly, let's thank Eric.
Yes.
Jim, very graciously hosting this. Not only hosting us and allowing us to occupy their property, but they have been such a big help in whatever we needed the whole time. And these guys are good. And having it at a venue like this, we got bus people behind us that understand what you're all about. So, again, thank you.
My name's Eric. Y'all met Jim probably. Just want to say thank you for coming. This is my first event like this to be a part of. I think that if we do this again, I got some ideas to make this a better event for not only the men, but also for the women. Women only want to talk about Eagles for just so long, and then they want to do something else. So,
about a minute.
Yeah,
about a minute.
So we're talking about maybe for next year having nightly dinner things planned, an area for everybody to kind of congregate, some live music. During the day, maybe some events for the women to load up in. We got a nice Sprinter van. We can load you guys up, take you around, do a little shopping downtown here in Gallatin, see some of the areas, have some lunch and things like that. But we're going to try to improve it for next year and make it better. But I want each and every one of you to leave with an all-access shirt and cap. Compliment to wear them proudly. We do that for advertising. That's what we do. So we're going to go in through here, and I'll be more than glad to help get you the size you need and take care of you. And we're going to get you each a coffee cup so you can drink coffee and think about us every morning.
Love it.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Jeff. Let's thank Jeff. He was my co-sponsor here.
Thank you, Jeff.
He kind of good friend. He bought an Eagle bus himself. He's got it over there, the brown one, and he's been helping me all along. So.
Just a burnout old tour bus driver. That's all.
Thank you guys for everything. Thank you so much.
We'll go around this way this way over
Hey,
here.
Eric, maybe we could get a group picture out front.
Okay.
From the side.